First of all, agenda of my application is recommendation system. Coming to front end of my application, I have created a responsive web application on a music system like Spotify, in which there is a network of 10 users, example user 1, user 2, etc. First property of my application is auto updation of trending list. User either do like, dislike or listen any song. It will update our recent playlist as well as trending list. For example, if I like hit one song one time, two time, and like hit 5 song one time, then we will see that our recent list as well as trending list of all 10 users are updated. I used priority queue for updating trending list, in which whatever song has higher priority in the form of likes, views or dislikes, they are served first in the sequence of list. Second property of my application is analyzing the choices of the user. My application record which type of song user listens most and how many times, and use this information to predict the song user may like. For example, our current user listens hit song again and again, therefore the list of song you may like section is updated according to the choice of users. Now if user start to listen romance song 5 of category romance song and like it, then you will see that our song you may like section is automatically updated. Here you can see that. For doing this, I count number of times user clicked on song of which category and compare it with other categories. Third property of my application is using database of other users to recommend song to the user. For example, if user 1 hears the song of Energy, which is Energy 1, and then he jumps to the song Sad 2, and now the new user comes and hears the same song which is Energy 1, then we will see that song 2 is recommended on the related section of the new user, because it follows the same path previous user follows. For this property, I use 2D array which stores path of user. Fourth property of my application is recommendation system. Song will be recommended on the song you may like section as well as related section. Here you can see that. First I fetch history of users and compare it from other users database. What song they hear after that song. I also recommend song users hear again and again. Here you can see that. My application also recommends song from trending list of category users like the most. Here is the algorithm for that. Okay. Coming to the conclusion, my application is to provide recommendation based on recorded in the form of the user's preferences and other user preferences. This application processes this information to provide potentially more relevant song. Thank you.